Okay, you guys, today we're making a cheese, egg, and sausage omelet. So we added in our butter. We gotta let our butter melt. Should we get all of it all over the place because we don't want it to stick. It's all melted real good. So now I heated up 4 eggs. Our butter is hot, so we can go ahead and pour in our eggs. And I have some chopped up sausage here. So once it starts to cook a little bit, I'm going to add in our sausage. So now we're going to start dropping in our sausage on here. And just put it, all over the place. Now that our sausages is all on there, we're going to add some cheese. Now we put all our cheese in there. Now we're going to go ahead and give it a good flip over. Now that we have it folded over, we're going to let it cook on one side, and then once it gets a little browning on that side, we're going to flip it over. Now I have taken it out of the pan. I'm going to add up some green onions on here. It's going to be really good, you guys. If you want to see what it looks like on the inside, we have the sausage and the cheese. Yummy, yummy. Oops, sideways, you guys. See? Sausage and cheese with everything. Really yummy. Really good.